Hello students, let's move for the exercise 11.4. In this we are in the fourth sum. Let's read the sum first. 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a. So here the options has given that value 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a. That value the options are given secant square a and b is minus 1, c is cot square a and d is tan square a. So let's find that first what is the value of 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a. So 1 plus tan square a, this thing we can write as secant square a, because we know that in the relation 1 plus tan square a equal to secant square a, and 1 plus cot square a we can write as cosecant square a. Cosecant square a. Here you can write y secant square a, because 1 plus tan square a. The reason must and should you want to write even in an examination also secant square a, and y cosecant square a, it is 1 plus cot square a equal to cosecant square a. This thing I taught you in the first period only. Let's recall that. Okay. So this secant is the reciprocal of cos square a. Secant square a we can write as 1 by cos square a, because secant a is 1 by cos a, and cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so we can write this cosecant as 1 by sine square a. Okay, so if we are do the cross multiplication, this 1 by cos square a into, so the denominator will become vice versa, I mean reciprocal, so we can take that sine square a divided by 1. So 1 get cancelled. The answer is sine square a divided by cos square a. Sine square a divided by cos square a. So here in an option there is no answer like that. We know that sine a divided by cos a is the tan a, or we can write this as tan square a. So related to this there will be the option, you can tick option D. Okay, so here y tan square a, it is sin a. We know that sin a, because sin a divided by cos a equal to tan a. Tan a. So that's why sin square a divided by cos square a is tan square a. Hope you'll understand this. Let's move for the fifth one. Prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expression are defined. So we want to prove that the angles are acute angles. Okay. So let us prove that identities if the angles are acute angles. First one, cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. This thing we want to prove that. So let us take LHS first. LHS is cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. LHS. Okay. So we know that cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So we can write this cosecant theta is as 1 by sin theta, 1 by sin theta minus cot theta is nothing but, now only I told you tan theta is the sin a cos a. Cot means that reciprocal, I mean cos a divided by sin a, or theta is here not a, so we can write this as cos theta divided by sin theta whole square, it should be. Okay, so we can take a LCM here, that is the sin theta, because LCM is same, so it will become the 1 minus cos theta whole square. So if we give the square number for both the numerator and the denominator, it will become 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin theta will become sin square theta, because square will apply for the both in the sense for both the numerator and the denominator. So we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So we can, instead of if you have taken only sin square theta, it will become 1 minus cos square theta. So we can write this as 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by 1 minus cos square theta here. So why it should be, because sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So if you are separating cos square theta, sin square theta separately, it will become 1 minus cos square theta. That thing you have to keep in mind. Okay, next 1 minus what it will become, 1 minus cos theta whole square. 1 minus cos theta whole square, in the sense it should be divided into 2, so we can write this 1 minus cos theta whole square as twice. That will become 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, because if you multiply both again, we will get the 1 minus cos theta whole square only. I mean twice it will be multiplied. 2 square equals 2 into 4. In the same way 2 into 2, 3 square means 3 into 3. In the same way 1 minus cos theta whole square means 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. We can write this as a plus b into a minus b. That means 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. So why here in the denominator? Because we are using the a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. 1 we can write as 1 square, no, right? Okay, so that is, so 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus the cos theta will get cancelled. The remaining answer is 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So this is the RHS what we want to prove. See, hope you will understand this, the fifth one. Let's move for the next sum. Second after the third sum. Cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A equal to the 2 secant A. So let us prove this. We have to take the LHS first. LHS means left hand side. 1 cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. So it is in the simple form only, because sin A cos A is the basic form. So if we have taken a LCM here, we will get the LCM, that is the if we are taking LCM, we will get the LCM cos A into 1 plus sin A. That in a numerator 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A get cancelled. Remaining is cos A. Cos A into cos A is cos square A, plus here cos A get cancelled. Here is 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. Nothing but it is 1 plus sin square A, or sin A whole square we can write, because it should be multiplied by twice, no? 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. So that will become 1 plus sin A whole square. Okay, so here we can get, here it is in the form of a plus b whole square. Everybody knows that a plus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So if we are writing the same here, cos square A plus 1 plus sin square A. So 1 is a value and b is a sin A. We can write as 1 square plus b is sin square A plus 2 into 1 a value into b is 2 sin A, 2ab. Okay, divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Yes, next step is cos square A. Sin square A plus cos square A value we know that is the 1 plus 2 sin A divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Okay, so here 1 plus 1 is, it will become a 2 plus 2 sin A divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. In a numerator, if you are taken a 2, what common here, we will get 2 ones are 2 plus 2 get cancelled. Remaining is sin A. 2 into 1 plus sin A divided by cos A 1 plus sin A. So 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A get cancelled. Remaining is 2 divided by cos A. So we can separate 2 divided by cos A as 2 into 1 by cos A, right? Hope you will understand this. That nothing but 2 into 1 by cos A is the reciprocal of secant A. We can write as 2 into secant A. 2 into secant A nothing but 2 secant A. That's all. Okay. Because why we wrote this secant A equals, because secant A equal to 1 by cos A. So this is the RHS what we want to find. Hope you will understand. Let's move for the next, that is the tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. Yes, let's solve this. First we have to take the LHS. LHS is tan theta divided by 1 plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. That's all. Okay. So tan theta, we can write that tan theta as in terms of simple form, that is the sin theta cos theta, that whole divided by 1 minus cot theta. We can write this reciprocal, that is the cos theta divided by sin theta. Everybody knows that. Plus as usual, under cot theta we can write as cos theta divided by sin theta divided by 1 minus tan theta we can write as sin theta divided by cos theta. This thing also no. So the numerator write as it is, that is the sin theta divided by cos theta, that divided by, if you have taken a LCM sin theta, here it will become sin theta minus sin theta get cancelled, remaining is cos theta, plus here also the same we can write in the numerator, that is the cos theta divided by sin theta, that divided by whole divided by, if you have taken a LCM here cos theta into 1 is cos theta minus cos theta get cancelled, remaining is sin theta. So the next step is we can take that cross multiplication. So if we do the cross multiplication, sin theta divided by cos theta, it is same, into the new denominator will become reverse, that will become a sin theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, so that plus the same here also the numerator cos theta divided by sin theta into, so we can take that reciprocal cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Hope you will understand this. Okay. Yes, if you have taken a LCM here, so we can take the LCM sin theta cos theta into cos theta into that into sin theta minus cos theta, both are same, no? So we can take that LCM as what, sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, so if you have taken that LCM whole, okay, in a numerator what it will become, so here, okay, cos theta sin theta minus cos theta get cancelled, remaining is sin theta into, it's become sin square theta plus cos square theta here. So one more time, if you have taken a LCM here, sin theta into cos theta, that divided by sin theta minus cos theta. So here sin theta sin cube theta it will become, because sin square into sin it will cancel, no? Cos theta sin theta minus cos theta cancel, remaining is sin theta into sin square theta sin cube theta, plus here also cos cube theta it is. Okay, here sin theta cos theta minus sin theta it will be cancelled, remaining is cos theta, so that will become a cos cube theta. Okay, which theta it is, cos cube theta. So here we can use the formula of x cube plus y cube. X cube plus y cube formula is x plus y into x square plus y square minus plus xy. Note down the formula. X cube plus y cube equals x plus y into x square. This is x square, or here I am writing x plus y into, x minus y into x square plus y square plus xy. Okay, so instead of a cube, here we can take that sine as a x, sine cube as a x, and cos cube as a y cube. So if you are substituting that x and y, so we will get here sine theta minus cos theta. This is a x minus y part, and x square in the sense sine square theta plus y square in the sense cos square theta plus xy in the sense sine theta into cos theta. So note down here x and y is, x is sine theta and y is cos theta. That's all. So yes, we have to calculate it. This sine theta minus cos theta, write as it is sine theta minus cos theta, or itself this sine theta or minus cos theta, sine theta minus cos theta get cancelled. This sine square theta plus cos square theta we can write as 1, because we know the value of sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is a 1, plus 1 plus this thing is same, that is the sine theta into cos theta. Okay, so that divided by inner denominator, what will left sine theta into cos theta. Okay, we can write this. So if you are separating this, so we can get, you can also write as 1 divided by sine theta into cos theta plus this 2 are 1, I mean sine theta into cos theta divided by sine theta into cos theta. We can the value never change, we can write like that also. So if you have taken sine theta and cos theta LCM, here we can get the same, I mean sine theta cos theta, if you are getting LCM, sine theta cos theta get cancelled, here 1 plus sine theta cos theta only itself it is. Okay, that's why I have split and write this, don't worry. So sine theta cos theta will get 1 here, so that will become what, 1 divided by sine theta into cos theta plus its value is 1. So yes, if you are writing that 1 by cos theta or 1 by sine theta, we know that 1 by cos theta is a secant theta, and 1 by so if you are separating, first you have to separate this, we can write this as 1 by sine theta into 1 by cos theta. Here also the value never change, because 1 by sine theta, 1 divided by sine theta into cos theta only, plus it is 1. So 1 by sine theta, instead of 1 by sine theta we can write as cosecant theta, because cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sine theta, into 1 by cos theta we can write as secant theta plus 1. So what is there in LCM, almost we got. If we are reversing this, it will become 1 plus secant theta, the value never change, into cosecant theta. So this is the RHS. Hope you will understand this. So instead of 1 by sine theta we can write as cosecant theta, because cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sine theta, and in the same way secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So this is the reason also you want to write, students, otherwise you will get wrong answer. So it should be proved. Hope you will understand. Here one thing, we have to take this as a cube, and if you have taken this LCM we will get sine theta into sine theta, sine square theta. So it should be very careful. Cos theta and sine theta cos minus theta, sine theta minus cos theta get cancelled, remaining is sine theta. Sine square theta into sine square theta is sine cube theta. So even here also what we took LCM, sine theta cos theta minus sine theta will be cancelled, remaining is cos theta. Cos square theta into cos theta is cos cube theta. It is in the form of x cube plus y cube. Hope you will understand. Thank you.